The comments on this one, bro. Look at this. Look at
What
this.
is this?
Bro, Instagram comments
Look,
are
look,
actually
look,
very
look.
mean.
I don't get it. Wait, I don't get it. I need to.
What do you mean? It's thermal smog. Look, it's there.
Rima, so there's this boss in Dark Souls called.
Okay.
There's this.
Oh, okay. It's a Dark Soul ref.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, bro, I'm so different. I swear no one understands me. I'm just make anime faces, IRL, uwu.
But Parrot, would you?
Oni-chan senpai.
Shut the f*** up,
Rima.
Oh shit, the Venom song.
The chowder meme.
No, they should have never released TikTok. They should have never released TikTok. TikTok was a mistake, bros.
TikTok was a mistake. Please take me back.
Okay, we're fine.
The first skip
fine,
is
I'm
killing
okay.
me.
The JoJo memes. All right.
Enough. Okay.
All right.
It's gonna. Oh, this.
Oh, hello, she's cute.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot of buff on
I
it.
get it.
That's a
I
Gojo
get it,
meme.
guys, I get it, guys.
The Gojo meme.
I got it. Oh my god.
Fucking comments are the best parts of Instagram.
Exactly.